5 AI tools every freelancer should know in 2025. If you want to become a successful freelancers in 2025, these 5 AI tools will change the way you work forever. Tool 1. ChatGPT-5. Your writing, brainstorming, and coding assistant in one. Use it to answer clients, write contracts, and even fix bugs. Tool 2. MidJourney V7. Type a prompt, get a masterpiece. Perfect for logos, thumbnails, and client mockups. Tool 3. Notion AI. Turn your notes into tasks, reports, and content outlines. It's your freelance dashboard on autopilot. Tool 4. Tactiq. Auto-transcribe Zoom calls and pull action items. No more forgetting client instructions. Tool 5. Opus Clip. 1 long video, 10 short viral clips. Grow your brand while you sleep. Save this video. Try one tool today. Freelancing just got easier.